Hello, and welcome to our spelling lesson on Halloween Eve. It is the 30th of October in the year 2020. We are on lesson number 29. Mm. Scholars, if you'd like, you can have a little fun with your words today. You could write them with Halloween colors, orange and black, purple, green, blood red, perhaps. So you'll see I'm having a little bit of fun with my words today. Our first word is the word or. Not or like there's not school on Saturday or on Sunday, but or like the oar of a in a boat. Right? He used the oar to try to hit the bat that was trying to suck his blood. Boo, ah, ah, ah. Or. Scholars, take a moment and analyze the word or. All right, let's check how you did. Or. One syllable. Or. And then, scholars, did you notice it has a multiple letter phonogram? O, the O of boat. So the or was in the boat. Or. No rules in or. That brings us to our second word. Today's second word is the word palace. Palace. Pause and analyze the word palace. Be careful, there's some tricky things in this one. Ooh. Ready to check how you did on palace? It's a two-syllable word. Pal. Ace. So yes, the word is palace, scholars, but we're going to think palace. Pal-ace. Palace. So it might help to think pal-ace. Do you know anyone named Ace? Or maybe you've heard of Ace Hardware, right? My pal Ace went to Ace Hardware. But our word is palace. So this has kind of sort of its third sound of the a, right? Palace. Ah. Second sound of the k, palace. And then a silent final E. Which silent final E? It's an E with a C in front of it, a silent E with a C in front of it. So it's CG Rule 3. A C before an E says palace. Now, as I mentioned, scholars, if it helps, you can think pal Ace, right? My pal Ace lives in a great big palace. Now, you might also notice, scholars, that I'm doing more than just skipping one line today, right? I had to leave a little space for my artwork to go with Halloween. It's okay if you're just going every other line, but it's also okay if you're leaving a little more space today. All right. Are you ready for the next word? Penny. The spider caught a penny in its web. Penny. Pause and take a moment to analyze penny. There is a rule. Let's analyze penny. Penny has how many syllables? Right, 2. Pen, knee. And that E, right? Sorry, the Y is making its E sound. Y, its third vowel sound. Pen, knee. And we have the say them both rule. We're going to say pen, knee to help us remember the doubles. And remember, when we have doubles like that in the middle of a 2-syllable word, we're often going to split the 2 syllables right between those doubles. Pen, knee. Pen, knee. Then, scholars, our fourth and final word. Are you ready? Regular. She came to school in her ghost costume, which is not the regular uniform. Regular. Pause for a moment. Analyze the word regular. Boo. Ready to check? It's a 3-syllable word. Reg. Right? If you've seen a menu before, you might have noticed this is the abbreviation for regular. And if you want a regular sized fry, right, or regular sized soda, it might be abbreviated like this. Reg. U. That U is a syllable all by itself, and it's saying its name sound. Right? Reg U, right? Name sound of the U, Reg U, finger space, lar. Regular. Regular. Did you spot the rule? A-E-O-U rule. We have a U at the end of the syllable saying its name sound. Regular. Ready? Let's say that rule together. A, E, O, and U. Usually say A, E, O, and U at the end of a syllable. Regular. Then, scholars, the bonus word for today is our next ocean, right? Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean. Remember, we've done the 7 continents, so we're now on the 4 oceans. Yesterday we did the Pacific Ocean. Today we're doing the Atlantic Ocean. So another proper noun. It names a specific ocean. So A and O are both capitalized. Atlantic Ocean. Right. Then if you would like to today, in that bottom space, right, you could draw a little Halloween scene. You could draw right? What your palace would look like. You could draw yourself in a Halloween costume. You go ahead, have free choice today. What would you like to draw in that space? If you would like. Remember, that's optional enrichment. The part that's not enrichment, the required part, is that you open the Spelling Google form, answer the 5 questions. Remember, use this video or use the sample notebook in the post. But once you've finished those 5 questions, be sure to hit submit at the bottom of the Google form. Thanks for joining me, and have a safe and happy Halloween and weekend.